Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Excel tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to link to another sheet in Excel. This is actually quite simple. For this I first open Microsoft Excel, and there are two ways to link between worksheets. On the one hand I can link to a single cell. To do this I first right click on my cell and go to link. Alternatively I can also use the shortcut Ctrl-K. Here I find various options for linking in Excel. In our case, we want to link to a place in this document. Excel now shows me all the worksheets that I can link to. So we now select the corresponding worksheet and enter our cell reference. Now I click on OK and my link has been created. If I click on the cell, I'm redirected to the sheet in the specified cell. Next to a single cell, this also works for a complete dataset. For this, I select this grocery list and give the range a name. On our first worksheet, we can now link another cell. Here we find our cell range with the defined name. When I select it and click OK, and now click on my link, we will see that it takes us to our complete range of data. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.